We'll do a little more in-depth video walk around here. Coming along. Tires are so-so. They would work for quite a while yet. Didn't really test the brakes. I feel like they have something going on anyway. I'm not sure if that's a factory piece or if that is someone's add-on. I'm not really into these internationals. Maybe someone else could tell. Looks like it's been converted to a GM alternator. Tin work's not too bad. Not bad at all. Easily workable. Front tires, well, same story. They would last, but they are chewed up a little. Get to this side. I know nothing on these internationals. I'm sure it's the same basics, but I've never dug into one myself. Looks like they had something welded on there at one time. Same thing with the tin work on this side. It's in pretty good shape. Like I said, easily workable. I know the clutch works. Like I said, this is a running tractor. I just personally have not had it running. I'm sorry, but these wheels need to be flipped. They just don't look right to me. And yeah, with the wheel weights on the inside, I don't know how you would go about taking them off and on easily. Looks like the drawbars had some welding done to it. It's kind of common for older machines. PTO actually looks pretty good. Splines aren't all chewed up. Battery box is starting to get a little thin. It's very common on anything older. Surprisingly, for the welding that's been done on the bottom of this drawbar and back in here, I'm quite surprised at how the rest of it has held up. None of the rest of this seems to be used and abused like the actual drawbar itself. Well, it smells like oil. It's not high, there's no coolant in it, no diesel fuel in it. There is something you don't see on anything modern. A greasable water pump. Show you guys the injectors up in there. I'm not sure what would have gone through that hole there, if it's anything. I see someone at one time. Looks like they cut that steering shaft apart and re-welded it. And I see this is welded on here. I don't think that's factory Farmall stuff. Well, that's going to wrap up my walk around to Luke's tractor. You guys will have to stop by Borkfest 2022 if you want to see it in person.